Guys, this is Abhishek Acharekar from Deepa Aquarium, and we do fish pedicure setup of international standards all over India. Right now, today we are in Pune, Junnar, Narayangao, and we are doing fish pedicure setup of 2 tanks. So let's see how we are doing the setup. See guys, how the fish is coming to the legs. So guys, see how the fishes are coming on the legs. We'll take the video. And these are the farm breed variety. We are not using local variety. These are specially sterilized fishes. And only with Deepa Aquarium these fishes are available. Because Deepa Aquarium is the only company who is breeding these farm breed fishes. These are totally sterilized fishes. There are no wild fishes in it. Because in India almost 10 to 15 varieties of doctor fishes are available, and this is a very unique variety. You can check our video Miracle by Fish Pedicure, in which you can see how the fish pedicure had helped the clients in recovering from lost sensation in her leg. All ages people can do this fish pedicure, from age of 3 to age of 60 to 70 also. The whole furniture had been made by Deepa Aquarium, fish tank, and we are the only company in India who are saying international standard fish pedicure setup. When we say international standards, what we are using in it, that's the most important. We are using ozone sterilization, which is very highly recommended in right now COVID cases also. In ozone sterilization, all the waterborne parasites or bacteria get eliminated completely from fish pedicure, and water is completely safe for doing fish pedicure. Plus, we are using UV sterilization also. A good powerful UV sterilization has been used, so there is a double sterilization in the fish tank, and all the bacteria or viruses get completely eliminated from fish pedicure. The water is crystal clear. All safety equipments has been used. The water is warm also. And for 6 months you don't require to purchase any medicines. There are total 8 types of medicines and 2 types of food. So you get all the medicines and food, 2 different types of food. And for 6 months, Deepa Aquarium is giving you guarantee, not warranty also, that your medicines and fish food will last for 6 months. So there is almost zero maintenance charges for 6 months. Plus 1 year you don't require to purchase fishes. The contract has been made like that way that your fishes will survive for 1 year. We will give you as per as the contract the fishes quantity, plus all the electronic products which we have given. You get a warranty as per as the product, different products. We give you 3 to 5 days training for fish pedicure at your place. Whole setup is being made at your place. Plus, if you have any query or any doubts, you can call us and have a full satisfaction. So guys, if anybody is saying that they are doing international fish spa setups, then they are giving a false information, because no one is giving international standard fish pedicure setups. Only Deepa Aquarium is the only company and the last company who is giving you a proper setup. In the field of fish pedicure, our 4 years research is there, and we have developed lots of medicines, fish food. The trials has been successful, and after 2018 our company has proudly said that we are the only company in India to do fish pedicure setup of international standards. So guys, if you are interested in doing this business anywhere the part of India or outside India also, Deepak Aquarium can support you and give you the whole setup all over the India or abroad also. Abroad, we can say easily we can do in Nepal, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Bhutan. So guys, we can break through the setup in two ways. We can make with furniture setup or without furniture setup also. With furniture means this is the wooden chair sitting. This is called a furniture. Rest the filtering system, the tanks, the machines, the backup machines, the ozone stations, the UV stations, all has been provided. Medicine, food will be given by Deepak Aquarium. So guys, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Deepak Aquarium, and please do like and subscribe my video. See, nice good quality of fish pedicure setup has been made. And this is Park. He is enjoying fish pedicure daily basis. Park, hi.
Hi.
So guys, I'm ending this video. Hope you like this. Do subscribe. And for business inquiry, do contact us on 9930051312, or you can contact us on 9029051312. Thanks for watching this video.